Before starting this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any future videos from our channel.
Hello everyone, this is Chan Shah from Tentas. Google has announced their first Android P developer preview for the Nexus and Pixel smartphones. In this video, I will let you know the things you really need to know about Android P. So, let's begin. We all know that Android Oreo launched in August 2017. Still now, most of the phones have not received Android Oreo yet. So it's really so much earlier than expected that Android P is coming within the next 2 months. Let's see what new features we are going to see in this new Android version. The final name of Android P has not released yet, but still there are several changes that will affect developers. So here we see there are not support multi-camera, idle apps, enhanced notification, Wi-Fi round trip time, RTT, HEIF and HDR support, ART and Kotlin improvements, fingerprints, autofill and HTTP. Android P has a new colorful design for Android settings. As we normally see that the Android settings has a single color and which really looks sometimes dimmy, but here in Android P we're seeing such colorful settings, which is really awesome. So Google is adding a new coat of paint to the settings page in the future iteration of the operating system Android P. As you can see, the monochrome icons are now quite colorful. The images themselves have also been slightly redesigned with a circular background added to each one. Android P's quick setting menu interface has now got a new design, which really looks good. The quick setting menu with Android P has now got a bit more lively, with the icons now showing up with blue color accents. In addition, you will notice that the icons in the menu now all have a circular look to them, in contrast to the stand-alone icons found in Oreo. On other bit about quick settings in the Android P developer preview is that you can now scroll down to see all the available icons when the menu is fully open, rather than having to go through pages to see all of them. This is really a very redefined and amazing changes in Android P, no doubt. Android P moves volume slider to the side of screen. In the upcoming Android P, the volume slider jumps from the top of the screen to the middle and goes vertical instead of horizontal. While this may seem like a strange change that no one was really asking for, if you think about it, it makes sense. As phones get bigger, it gets harder to manipulate in one hand anyway, a horizontal volume slider at the top of the screen. But with the volume slider on the side of the screen, it's easy to use your thumb to slide the other bar up, down, no matter how big the phone might be. Another new feature is Android P's night light that will show you that when it will work. Since we have seen that you have to manually start the night light mode, but here in Android P it will start automatically after you set the time that when to start work. Android P finally gets a screenshot button in the native power menu, so you do not have to press the volume down and power button simultaneously for taking a screenshot. Just press the power button and tap the screenshot and the screenshot captured. If you are using Google Pixel smartphones, then you can easily download the developer preview of Android P. We have given several links for Android P in the video description, so don't miss that out. So that's the quick look of Android P developing version. More changes to come in upcoming days. That's all for today. Stay tuned for next update. See you at the next one.